Oh, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, December the 10th, 2021. We have here in this additional six puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, the Tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and the Tectonic. Six puzzles, but I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. And I have already solved the 3 stars and the binary, so this will be my last puzzle of today. And this one will be number 3812. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong. And for a 4 stars puzzle, for 4 stars, if it's really a 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. If it's really a 4 stars, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes, this single box is always a 1. Well, we have here a single box and there a single box. Single box always a 1. Let me put that 1 there. Then, do we see here dual boxes? You see here dual box, there dual box, here dual box, 3 dual boxes. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box is already filled in with the 1, so that box will be a 2. Here, the 1 and the 2. This box cannot be a 2 anymore because we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Here also the 1 and the 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No. I cannot see any triple boxes. I see a quadra box here. Here also a quadra box. 2 quadra boxes. Yeah, 2 quadra boxes. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Here also, the quadra box, the box inside is always a 5. Because the L shape, the quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those. 1 and 2. Here I cannot continue. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Alright, quadra boxes. Then the following step or strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, construction, whatever, you name it. For example, we have here the L shape, mirrored, yeah. Let me put this here. The L shape. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same lemma as that box. Alright. So this box has the same lemma as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. No L shapes. Here, another shape here. Let me draw this here. Alright. Here. Oh. Well, it's supposed to be... be a little bit lower. Okay. A little bit lower. Here. Not there. Here. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, let me draw this here. Okay, this is the shape of this figure. Remember, if you see this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. There's one figure or shape left in this puzzle. This shape. Let me draw this here. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes of figures, structures, or constructions that you need to know, that you need to recognize. Why? Because the next step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. We have here only 4. There are more. I believe there are 6, maybe 7. I do not know. 6. But in this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Alright, so next step, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. That means that this box. Wait. That box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 1. Okay. 1 and a 2. Let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I think this box should be a. This box cannot. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Can also not be a 3 because if I place a 3 here, this box should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. But also it cannot be a 4 because if I place a 4 here, this box should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. So it must be a 5, this box. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it's not a solution to place the 3 here. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Alright, these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3, because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So here cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have the pair 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. One box left in this area for the number 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Well. I think this box should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay, these two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that I have marked those two boxes with a 2. This box cannot be a 2 anymore, because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 2. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and 4. This box is also connected with that box. 1 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 5. And that box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. So one digit left in this area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Okay, now we have a 4 here in this area. This box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. One box left in this area for the number 4. One box left in this area for the number 5. 1 and a 5 are left in this area. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. I think this box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay, this box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. One box left in this area for number 4. Well, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 here, double 4 there. That means the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 here, or in this figure or shape. So it cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 4, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Final 2 numbers in this L shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 16 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.